We'll try again. Since that peanut's not going to get the best of me. Nope. That didn't work.
See which one gets it. Oh, don't leave. You can still get it. The trap! Do you think he likes the mushy peanut butter? I should probably go put a new spoon on there.
Oh, yeah, this other guy's going to go for it.
The dog?
Oh, no, he just fell off the bench.
Oh.
Man, how the heck can I get up there?
How can I? Jump from the wheel?
He's trying to figure out how to go out the branch and do it.
He did that earlier and he was unsuccessful. I don't think I